Hi student, myself Dr. Prakash Salve, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalay, Srigonda, District Ahmednagar, affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Now, today we will see the lecture FYBSc Geography Choice Based Credit System syllabus to be implemented for academic year 2019 to 2020, semester first, part paper number first. Now, first chapter, title of paper, Introduction to Physical Geography. First paper. Now, today discuss about the Earth system, interior of the Earth. Okay. Now, let's move to interior of the interior of the Earth. This is the Earth and layer of the Earth, interior of the Earth. Okay. This is the photographs of Earth and the interior compared to the boiling eggs. Three layers: the outer shell, middle layer and central layers. This type of the Earth interior Earth structure and composition. Now, interior of the Earth, on the which we live, to be full of mystery about the appearance, motions, land, air and water, external morphology such as mountain, valleys, plateaus, plain, lake and ocean can be easily studied, but interior structure and compositions are not simple to understanding even with present tools and techniques of modern age. Man has constantly trying to know what about the Earth right from prehistoric days. Gradually, he has succeeded to get some details of interior of the Earth. Okay, now problem of the interior knowledge of the Earth. The first problems: radius of the Earth is about 6,371 kilometer. Earth surface to center of the Earth, the distance between 6,371 kilometer depth, it is difficult to penetrate up to the center of the Earth. The second problems: present technology even is unable to give us a direct reference about the interior. Now, third one is the interior temperature start increasing. The rate of increasing temperature is 1 degree Celsius for every 30 meter. When we go to the Earth, interior of the Earth, the every 30 meters the temperature increases 1 degree Celsius to every 30 meters. Now, next problems: relatively density of interior increasing with the increasing depth. It is about 5 times higher than the outer crust. Next problem, holes have been drilled to maximum depth of about 9.5 kilometers into the earth. National Academy Science of United States made effort to drill the Pacific Ocean bed near California for direct information about these projects known as MOHO project. The name of the scientist was called because of great expenses. And the next problems, pressure also increases from crust to interior parts. Therefore our present knowledge about the interior structure and composition of the earth is based some indirect observation based on following things. Then the earthquake. The information gives various techniques. First, information collect from the earthquake sent out the waves known as seismic waves. A study of those waves on seismographic heights the nature of interior zones. Here the primary and secondary waves travel to this. Then another volcanic eruption in the different parts of the earth. Those emit interior matter in gases, liquid and solid forms on the surface of the earth. Which type of material they analyze and then the study in interior of the earth. Then the mountain building movements or dystrophic force. Another is analysis of meteorites from the space. Differences of density of crust and interior part of the earth. Then the study of characteristics of radioactive elements and minerals. Now next, study of convectional current acting in outer crust compartments. Study of various rock material found in the crust and mantle. And study of hot water spring and glaciers. This type of material, this type of evidence to analyze, and then the study of interior of the earth. Now next is the density. Density means specific gravity. Internal components of the earth is not uniform. Outermost part of the earth, known as crust, has been made up mostly of sedimentary rocks. Crust making rocks of the earth, the process is specific gravity is around 2.8 gram per cubic centimeter. The average density of the whole earth is about 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter. Thus, it appears that the density of the course of the earth will be without doubt more than 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter. Gradually, the density of the core of the earth is around 11 gram per cubic centimeter. Then the now Australian scientist K.E. Bullen studied this issue intensively and concernedly concluded that deep interior of the earth is a massive heavy mass of metallic nature under the tremendous pressure. Earth being a magnetic sphere, core of the might be made of nickel and iron. Then the temperature, interior of the temperature mount as the depth increasing 1 degree Celsius for every 30 meter. The earth interior at the center might be about 2200 degrees Celsius to 2750 degrees Celsius, more than near about 500 degrees Celsius. There are two reasons for increasing in depth. The first is radioactive elements radiate the heat, and another is core is expanding gradually, therefore radiation of heat is possible. Due to tremendous pressure on the core or central part of the interior matter of the inner core does not melt radiation to temperature. Heavy pressure keep the matter is massive solid form. This pressure amounts 222 million ton, and solid do not change therefrom invariably. Therefore, the central part of the earth was soft, solid. The reason for solid central inner core is the tremendous pressure that increases the temperature condition so that it cannot melt into liquid. Seismic waves and interior of the earth, earthquake waves that originate from the center of the study. This is for interior nature and composition of the earth, and the evidence of interior structure. The three types of evidence majorly: the density, calculate density of the earth, and speculate on problems composition. Another is meteorologist use composition and age to determine composition and age of the earth. And third one is seismic waves. Here याला आपण उल्का म्हणतो. उल्का वर्षाव जो काही झाला तर उल्का वर्षावातून आलेले जे काही उल्का जे असेल त्याचं ॲनालिसिस करून आपण या ठिकाणी पृथ्वीच्या अंतर्गत भागाची माहिती जी आहे ती माहिती मिळवू शकतो. ओके. नाउ सिस्मिक वेव्स, ट्रॅव्हल टाइम्स अँड directions gives interact identity indications of internal structure of earth. The graphical analysis and there the interior structure to change. Now seismic waves are three type of waves. First is primary waves or P waves or longitudinal waves. P waves are fastest all the seismic waves, travel horizontally and can penetrate the change of medium to some extent. These waves cannot penetrate the liquid medium. P waves travel 1.7 times faster than S waves, secondary waves. Primary waves lose their speed near about core. Here the primary waves, the speed is loose. Then the when is therefore supposed to be liquid, then again after 1250 kilometers from outer core, the speed of primary waves. The primary waves goes to push and pull. Okay? One time push and then the pull. This is the push and pull. The waves circle, push and pull. Movement. Travel faster. 6 km per second. Travel through side and liquid. Now second seismic waves, secondary waves, S waves or transverse waves. S waves are also useful to understanding interior of the earth. Secondary waves travel at right angle, the zigzag mode. This is a wave type. This type of waves travels wave type. These waves cannot pass the liquid medium. Therefore, part of the core is liquid. Their observation clearly show that up to kilometers the interior is solid with increasing density, then the central mass be in liquid state. And third one is surface waves. When the waves come to the earth's surface and then they start the surface waves. Surface waves also throw light on density. Difference of the outer crust of the earth. The surface waves travel faster on ocean bed than when they travel on the land surface or continents. S waves move side to side like wave type. Slower 4 km per second travel to solid only. These waves only travel in solid parts, not a liquid part. Liquid part, this waves is absorbed as well as reflect. Now interior of the earth. interior of the earth, the first layer, outer zone, the top of the surface of earth, crust or lithosphere. This is lithosphere. This is a part, the lithosphere. Lithosphere is covered by continental land masses 29% and ocean floor 71%. The depth of the layer is not uniform anywhere. Its thickness is about 16 to 40 kilometer. It is slightly more than 40 kilometer beneath the mountain. Here the 40 kilometer, near about 40 kilometer here. And Himalayas and the Rocky, however, the depth of the crust under the ocean bed is no more 10 kilometer. Here the outer crust no more 10 kilometer. They approximately 10 to 16 to 40 kilometer. They are the layer of outer layer. The surface separation between crust and metal is known as Moho discontinuity. Lithosphere possesses two distinct layers, Sial and Sima. The crust is outermost layer. It is very thin and rigid. Yeah, very thin. Rigid means that is a solid. If you can imagine an apple, it would have the thickness of the skin of an apple. There is two type of crust, continental crust and oceanic crust. The importance notes: thin crust plus uppermost mantle is rigid. These form the lithosphere plates, and second is partially molten material acts as the lubricants. These enables the plates to move freely along the surface of the earth. Now Sial. Sial, this layer. Sial means silica plus aluminium. The lightweight material. So this layer is outermost. Australian geologist Swiss pointed out the top layer, this layer as Sial, which is granite in nature. Sial is the topmost layer. It is the topmost layer. It forms the outermost crust of the earth, commonly called as lithosphere. It is lightest of all the layers of the entire interior composition of the earth. The main earthquake waves are travel at a nominal speed of 5.6 kilometer per second. Then the specific gravity of this layer between 2.7 to 2.9. Here the 2.7 to 2.9, the specific gravity gram per cubic centimeter. It is average thickness is about 20 kilometers. Here 20 kilometers. These layers is demanded by silica and aluminium. Cl is equal to silica plus aluminium. It is made of granites, rocks, this type of earth surface. Sima. Now next layer, the Sima, beneath the Cl. Sima is founded beneath the Cl. It is, however, than the Cl layer. Sima indicate composition of silica and magnesium. Sima extended totally up to 42 kilometer depth. It is specific gravity between 2.9 to 4.7 gram per cubic centimeter. The earthquake waves travel in this layer with 6.4 to 7.2 kilometer per second, and secondary waves travel at the speed of 3.2 to 4 kilometer per second. It is made basalt rocks. The border of at which density of Cl and Sima change is known as Conrad discontinuity. Here the border, the separation to Cl and Sima, the Conrad discontinuity. The discontinuity discover the Conrad. So the given name of the Conrad discontinuity, the changes, layer changes. Okay. Now interior of the metal, interior zone or metal. Here the outer layer lithosphere झाला. Now another layer is second layer mantle. Mantle below the crust of another zone composed of mineral rocks is found. Mantle lies about 42 kilometers beneath the earth surface. Its width thickness is about 2900 kilometer. Metal is divided into two subdivisions as inner and outer mantle. It is made of ultra basic but recently study of mantle based on earthquake was divided in three divisions. First, from Moho discontinuity to 200 km depth, low velocity of seismic waves. In this region, the seismic waves, the speed is low velocity. Another is 200 km depth to 700 km depth. The seismic waves faster than above layer. And third is 700 km to border of the core. Here the speed of seismic waves do increase but slowly. Rock is the mantle, mainly contain alluvial materials, magnesium, iron, silica, and they are either ultra basic and ultra mafics. The discontinuity between lithosphere and mantle is known as Moho discontinuity. Below, the ocean bed Moho is just 10 to 12 kilometer depth, while below the continents it is much deeper, about 35 kilometer. Mantle is composed of iron and magnesium, silica. It is a mostly solid, but uppermost part of the mantle is partially molten slash where you do have liquid and solid mix. Now this is very important in plate tectonics. Now next layer, core or nephe or centrosphere. The centrosphere, interior of the zone, the earth, central zone of the earth, interior. Central core is situated a depth of about 2900 km from center part of the earth. It is mainly made of nickel and iron or ferrous. Hence, it is known as nephe. Specific gravity of central core is around 13.6 gram per cubic centimeter. It is constitute about 1/3 of the total mass of the earth. Here, this 1/3. The materials making of the central cores are very hard and dense. The temperature of the earth core may be between 2200 to 2750 degrees Celsius. The discontinuity between mantle and core. Here, mantle and core. Here the Gutenberg discontinuity. Here primary waves lose the speed suddenly and S waves is disappear. Clearly indicate that change the medium from solid to liquid, because secondary waves cannot travel through liquid zone. The core is very dense and composed mostly of iron and nickel. The inner core is solid. This is because there is so much pressure exerted that it can only exist in the solid form. The outer core is liquid, iron and nickel. It is a very dense, but because in its liquid form it is less dense than the solid and forms the outer cores. Here, core is subdivided into two subdivisions, the outer core and inner core. Outer core is division. This division extended from 2900 km to 5150 kilometers. It is the specific gravity is 12.5 10 to near about 10 gram per cubic centimeter. Outer core is covered externally by solid but soft mantle. It is most part continent. Iron is molten state. Here the molten state. Then the another is inner core. Inner core extended from 5150 km to 6371 km. Here depth of the earth. Specific gravity is 13.3 gram per cubic centimeter, and it is the highest at the center is about 13.6 gram per cubic centimeter. This gravity is nearly double than the mantle. Here core is made of nickel and ferrous, so these layer called Nephae. Here this is the reference books. Okay, thank you.